Alright, y'all, real quick, I got another tool. It's the Gearwrench belt tool, 89000. Open it up real quick. I've been wanting to get this tool for like 3 years now, so I finally got it. Open it up real quick. So this part is ratcheting. It's ratcheting and it's flipped, so you can adjust it however you want to. The best way it gets down in there to get the butt off. And got just in here. Let's see. You lock them right in there, just like that. However you need to adjust it to get it in there. Alright, so it'll be this piece and this piece. The case is nice too. Blow molded case. So it got all different sizes you can use. And it fits right into the ratcheting. You go either way you want to go. Putting it on, taking it off. So it looked like it got 13 through 19. It has all your specs up top. You even got some crowfoots, depending on how you can get in there. Crowfoots is from 13 to 15. Okay, and they got some adapters too. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How you get this thing out? Okay. Yeah, so you press it out. Alright, so you got some adapters too. I'm assuming that's to make it maybe longer, I guess. What's the or an adapter is for the crowfoot, I guess. Now you can put the crowfoot on with the adapter. This is nice. I'm kind of excited to use it. I've been wanting it for about 3 years now. So I usually use just a regular wrench. Usually one of these. Something nice and long. As long as you can get in there with something and get it off. This is just something extra to add to my little, my little arsenal. If it comes in handy, come in handy. It's not that expensive. I think it was like $60 or something like that. So, yeah, it's the Gearwrench, 89,000. Check it out.